dealing with the frustrating AMD driver update problem myself, and after spending considerable time exploring various solutions, I finally identified several effective approaches, and I will now guide you through them. This video is your definitive guide to fix AMD driver stuck error loop in Windows Update Ingestion, ensuring your system runs perfectly. First, we tackle corrupted files within your Windows Update system. Often, old or broken update data prevents new AMD drivers from installing correctly, causing that endless loop. By cleaning out this digital clutter, we allow Windows to start fresh, grabbing the right driver without old errors getting in the way. Next, we look at completely removing old AMD driver parts. When you install new drivers, sometimes bits of the old ones are left behind, like digital ghosts that cause trouble. A complete, clean removal ensures there are no conflicts, letting your new driver install smoothly without fighting with past versions. Our third approach involves a temporary security workaround. Sometimes Windows is too strict about checking driver signatures, even for good drivers. Briefly turning off this check lets the driver install, then you can turn the security back on. This helps when Windows unfairly blocks a valid driver. Finally, we take manual control through Device Manager. Instead of letting Windows Update get stuck on a bad driver, we directly tell your computer which AMD driver to use. This bypasses any update issues and forces the correct working driver into place, ending the loop.